funny. Resized it. Okay, so there are 20 questions here. Let me check. Xinmin, let me open it. Okay. Xinmin. Very good. 20 questions. All printed out. Very good. So going to go to set 1. So I'm going to use this. Delete all this. Nice. So I get a clean page. Okay, and then insert this. Okay, so let's start off with the last one. Where's the last one?
I didn't do. There's no more time.
No time. Okay, never mind. So one question didn't do. Entire week, no time. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, never mind. So one question never do. So Q20 never do. Okay, Q19. Okay, Q19 is I will say Q19 is a very, very common question, and you expect this question to come up, in your final exam. You understand? So make sure you know how to do this Q19. If you don't know how to do Q19, that means basically you are telling me you can't score already. As simple as that. Okay. So so it takes a while to load. So let me just extract Q19 out. Can you see or not?
Yeah.
No, okay. If it's not big enough, just let me know. If it's not big enough. I'm supposed to go to Q19. Okay. Should be page 16. No wonder. Yeah. So over here, this question is, I hope you can see the figure clearly. So which two figures you see here?
A cylinder and...
Yeah, so you see a cylinder and what's the name for this one?
Prism.
It's a prism, but what shape?
Parallelogram.
This is a parallelogram. Did they say?
No.
They say what?
Trapezium.
Oh, yes. So it's a trapezium base. It's a trapezium base prism. Okay. So with this, then you are asked to find that given that the curved surface of the cylindrical tunnel. So basically, this 2200, right, is the curved surface area of the cylindrical tunnel. So that means this side, this one. Okay, just this part. Okay, and show that the radius. Can you show is 10? You managed to show? They say please show that it's 10 cm.
Yeah.
You managed to show?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Let me see. Yeah, good. Let me take a look. So you have 2 pi r times this, 35 is equal to this, and this is equal to 10. So what you have done is, do you include this? Circle?
Yes,
Why yes and why no?
because it's a part of the surface area.
Hold on. What did you say? What is
Or
this?
curved surface area.
So do you include the
No.
no? So you just do this part, right? So this part is 2200. That's why you don't include the circle. No, you don't include this. Oh, there is no circle over there, so we don't care about that. So therefore, you don't include this part. So if you include, wrong. So you need to read the question. So therefore, you use 2 pi r, which is the circumference, right? This is the circumference, right? Times the length of this. That's why you get to 2200. And therefore your r should be 10. Okay. So by the way, r is equal to 10. Then that's it. And then hence calculate the total volume of this entire thing. Okay. This is called cage for a hamster. Okay. So to find the volume of this entire cage, so you need to find the volume of the cylinder plus the volume of the trapezium prism. Does it make sense?
Yeah.
Okay. So for the volume of cylinder, what's the formula?
Find the base and then.
Yep, the base is the. So let's do it one by one. So you just write down some short statement. So you find the V of the cylinder. Dot. And then over here you find the V of the trapezium base prism. So I'm going to do the volume of the cylinder first. So before that, I write down the formula first, because with the formula I just have to plug in the value, right? So what's the formula for volume of cylinder?
Base. Base times height.
Yeah. So base area times height. Right? And the base area in this case is the circle, right? So pi r square, right? Times the height, right? Okay. This height is the height of the what? The height of the cylinder, not the height of the whole thing, no. Okay. So you need to differentiate which height this height refers to. So therefore, your r is equal to 10, which you have found above. The h is 35. So they say pi. What value of pi you take? 22/7. Did they specify? Oh yes, they say must take this. Okay, so it's 10 times 10 times 35. So this will give you the volume of the cylinder, which is 11,000. By the way, I don't understand why you write this down. Well, you don't need to, because it's fraction. You just get it into fraction.
Yeah, so, I know. After I wrote it down, then I realized I can put it into fraction.
So in a way, right? Very good. So I'm not saying you're wrong, but you just wasted a bit of time here. Okay. So very good. So this is cm cube. Okay. So this question 3 mark, you get half of it already, because you get half of the volume. Then the volume, the trapezium base. So first, if you look at this one, right? So how you cut this thing so that you get the uniform
triangle. Two triangles.
No, hold on. How you cut it to have the uniform layer first?
From top to bottom.
Like this, right?
Yeah.
This, right? Okay, good. So once you cut it this way, so you will get the volume for prism is also base area times height, right? But this height is for the height of the prism. Okay, so the base area, in this case the base is the trapezium. You see, they tell you. So that means you need to find the area of the trapezium. Okay, times the height of the trapezium, right? Just choose another. Okay, so for the area of the trapezium, like you say, you have to get the, so which one is the 90 degree? Over here is the 90 degree. Okay, can you see? Over here is the 90 degree. Yeah, good. So therefore, you need to reconstruct this. So this is 43. This is 90 according to the question 24, and then this is 50. So therefore, this the slanted side is this one, which is 25. Okay.
Okay.
Why? Because this is 90, so this one has to be this line should be straight, right?
Yeah.
While this one, because this is 43, this is 50, so it's slanted. So the 25 is the slanted one. 24 cannot be slanted. Why? Because 24 is 90 ma. Correct. So once you get this, so to find the area of trapezium, like you say, you do a diagonal line, right? Right? Because there is no formula, so you do a diagonal line here, right? So you just have to find out figure 1 and figure 2. Did you do this? No,
I didn't draw it, but
then?
I did the equation.
So how you, okay, so you okay, what I see is you do the, okay, maybe you didn't, okay, you need to draw it out, otherwise nobody understands like which is the one, which is the, okay, which is the triangle 1, which is the triangle 2. Okay, so I think I look at your work, I look at your work here, so most likely you don't see it this way, but you see it this way. Both ways are okay. Probably you see it this way. So this is your 1, this is your 2. So how do you get the 2? The 2 is 24 times 50. Half times base times height, right? So this is your triangle 2, which is here. And then this is half times base, which is 43. Which one is the height? For your 1?
24.
Yes. So it's 24. So this is your triangle 1. Did you get this 24? Ah, you make a mistake. You get times 25. Is 25 needed?
No.
And you see? So there is a benefit of writing, there is a benefit of sketching this out. And show how you cut the trapezium. So, do you need to use 25?
No.
Why not?
Because it's not the height.
Yes. So for the triangle 1 is base times the height, which is 24. 25 is not the height. 25 is just the length of the side, right? So you just add this. You just add these two up. You will get the area of the, which is here. So this one will be the area of the trapezium, and then you just times the height of the trapezium, which is 20. And that will give you the volume of this. Then you just add this with the volume of this. That will be the total volume. Understand?
Yeah.
So for this question, 3 mark, you only get 1 mark. Why? 为什么?
Because never draw the.
Never sketch the trapezium out. And then what happened?
And then times the wrong thing.
Okay. So that means next time for other questions that requires you to find the area of trapezium or area of anything, I think it's a good practice to sketch the shape out. It's good to sketch the shape out so that you know that which one is the height and which one is just extraneous, like no use, just extra. Okay, so that's it. So they want to find the total surface area of the cage. So the total surface of the cage, so you have to show me front and back, then left and right, then you have not written down anything. So how do you expect me to understand this? Right? Remember, I asked you to write down the statement, short statement. Okay? So I'm going to do that now. So please follow every single step. Okay? In order to score full marks. It makes life easy for the examiner also. Okay? Or the marker of your paper. So, what's the strategy? The strategy is probably you want to do the cylinder here first. So the cylinder, you already have the what? You already have the curved surface, which is 2200, right? right? So this is called, just write down curve surface area. This is given, by the way. And then you need to consider this area of the circle, right? Because they now they want to find the entire surface area. So this is the circle. So you might want to write down in the area of circle. So it's pi r square, right? So pi is 22/7. R is 100. I mean 10. So yeah, 10. So it's 10 square is 100. So just okay, just put it in this manner first, because this is not the final answer. So I don't have to care about it first. So then this one done already with this two, right? Am I right?
Yeah.
Now your focus is on the top and the bottom. So the top and the bottom, and they are both trapezium, right? And which you have found, right?
Yeah.
Over here.
Yeah.
Okay. Can you quickly help me use the calculator? Like this one plus this one. What is that?
First one is 600.
No, add up. I want the total. No need to split, because that will give me the entire area.
So I need to see the bottom.
So 1116 is the top, right? So you times the 2. So that's the top and bottom. This is an n. So times 2, what you get? 2232. Okay, very good. So now the next step is, so top and bottom covered already. So what you do is the left and the right. Left and the right. Okay, the left hand side is the 20 and the 43, right? So it's 20, 43. So this is 860. The right hand side you need to minus off. The right hand side you need this one, right? So this one is 20, then this is 50, but you need to minus off the circle here. Yeah, so it's 20 times 50 minus the circle, which is 2200/7. This is a times, this is a minus. So you just give me this value in fraction, because I want the most exact one.
Okay.
Huh? What's the answer?
Oh.
I can't do it with mental calculation. 20 times 50 minus 2200/7.
19735.7142.
Give me exact one.
1973557. 5.
Over 7?
Yeah.
Okay.
But then there's a 5 behind 3.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
Okay, good. So this is cm. This. So it's 19755 over 7.
1973555/7.
How can it be? This is 1000 only. So you calculate wrongly, no? 20 times 50 minus 2200/7. 20 times 50 is 1000. How can your answer is bigger than 1000?
685.
You see? Press wrongly.
68557.
You can't? I knew it. 来，再来 6
8 5 5
over 7.
7
5 over 7, right?
5/7.
Okay, please read it. 685 5/7. Alright?
685/7.
Correct. Or the right way to call the right way to tell this number is 685 and 5/7. Okay? so that people know that n before is the whole number, after is the fraction. Okay, so this is cm square. So the right hand side done. So you are left with what? Top and bottom, left and right. Then this part. This is called front. The front part is 20 times 25, which is 500. And then the back is not the same. The back is 24 and 20, right?
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 20 times 24 is 480 cm square. Okay, so your job is to add all this up. Back, front, so front, back, right, left, top and bottom, done. Area of this, done. Just add all this up. No need, 不用. That's the strategy, okay? Okay. So basically, if you don't know how to add, I cannot help already. Okay? I have taught you how to find each of them and then add them up at the end. Okay? So this is the strategy. You have to do it this way, okay? You do it any other way and then most likely you'll get it wrong. Very likely you'll get it wrong. So if I look at your work here, right? Do you have a red pen? Let me see if you have missed out any. Thank you. So I see the 2200. I see the 480. So this is the back. I also see the 860, which is the left. I see the 1000. Actually, 1000 is not needed. 1000 is not needed. And the top and the bottom is wrong. That's why this one is wrong. I see the front. 600 plus the 537.5. I don't understand what's this. I see the right, but you need to minus, which you did not minus. Okay, so this is the curve. Okay, so what I see here is I see the front, I see the back, I see the left, and I see the curve, and then the rest is missing. Okay. So next time when you do this, can you write down what is this?
Okay.
So example, this is the left. Or front? Can you please write the front here?
Okay.
So that people know that this 500 is the front part. And then this 20 times 50 is there, right? But can you see that there is a hole here? Yeah, there's a hole there. So you need to. So basically, this is called the right. The right side, you need to minus off the circle. Further. Okay. So never mind. Next time you have to follow this strategy closely. All right.
Yeah.
What you need to do next time when you ask to find the total surface area?
Follow the strategy closely.
What strategy?
Find right, left, front,
yes.
top, bottom.
Yeah, individually, right? Okay, good. So construction. Okay, construction is quadrilateral. So I am supposed to PQRS. Give me a form. Give me a ruler, so that I can measure whether you are right or wrong. Okay, so they say PQ is 10.5, so make sure it's 10.5. Okay, so not very accurate, but okay, good enough. QR5. Okay, QR5. So that's how I mark, like you get points. PS8. Something is very funny here. I see 2 up already. So next time you need to erase your extra up, otherwise you will get penalized because I don't know which one to look at.
Okay.
And by the way, you are supposed to show only 1 up. we have 2 here. I don't know why.
This is because of over here.
But you have to erase.
Okay.
You have to erase unnecessary stuff. Okay? Then 5.3 just 5.3. Your this one is 5.5 already. Or 5.4. But okay, like a bit off. Slightly off. So construct the perpendicular bisector of QR. Where's QR? QR. So I'm supposed to see third. Okay, good. 你这个是90嘛 You can test. 你这个不是90，你乱来。Perpendicular bisector QR. How do you do it? Show me. Put this one aside. No need. You don't need this. This one no need. Why you don't put the pencil here? So it's one set. You sharpen already now.
No, but the pencil I usually use for this one is a blue one.
这个这么烂。Did I ask you for sharpener?
It's here.
You sharpen before you do. Wait, take it out and sharpen. And you need to sharpen carefully. Your this sharpener not very good. It can break the pencil very easily. Good. I remember last time I broke the pencil. 可以了。拿出来看一下。Okay, very good. 好，可以。Okay, wait. Before you do how you do the perpendicular bisector of QR? 等下你就 put it correctly no? Okay. 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 Over here I see the connection, but over there I don't see the connection. Okay, then you're supposed to connect which one and which one?
This one to this one.
等一下，我都不懂是哪一个了。
这个。
哦，这个 and。
这个 and 这个。
Okay, good, go. Okay. This one looks good. This one is correct. And what did I say? How long should be the perpendicular bisector? How long is supposed to be the perpendicular bisector?
Until it's outside of this one.
This one is already outside.
Outside of the line.
Then what about that side? My instruction is not only outside, there are 2 points. You need to make sure it covers the entire figure. Okay, so for this part, it's already out of the figure, very good. For this part, you need to go out of the figure, that's enough. Okay, so this is the perpendicular bisector. And when you finish the perpendicular bisector, write down, this is part what? Part A. So you write down part A here.
Part B.
So
A is the...
你这个 A 是 construct perpendicular bisector 吗？
Oh.
This part A, right? So you write down part A here. So that people know that, oh, this is my part A. Okay, part B asks for what?
The point X on the perpendicular bisector of QR and is equidistant
to RS and PS. Where's RS and PS? This is RS. This is PS, right? So what else have you learned besides perpendicular bisector? And these 2 sides they give you a what? These 2 sides they give you what? What do you have here? These 2 sides. Focus on these 2 sides.
A line.
Two lines give you a what?
Triangle.
This is triangle.
No.
Then?
Angle.
Yes. So 2 lines give you an angle. So angle, what else have you learned?
90 degrees.
不是 What else have you learned for angles in this construction question? You are given an angle and then besides the perpendicular bisector, what else have you learned? Angle bisector is for the, perpendicular bisector is for the line. So angle, there is one more thing you learn. Angle what?
Angle at the point.
Angle bisector.
Angle bisector.
You cut the line, you can also cut the angle. That's what you have learned. Which two lines you should look at?
These two.
Which two?
These two.
Which two?
SP and SR.
Very good. So which angle you should look at?
This one.
Yeah. Yes. So you need to angle bisector this. Yeah. What are you doing? You use the ruler for. Wait. How do you get the angle bisector? Huh? Angle bisector leh.
Yeah.
You're dreaming. Over here you already draw. This leg here you already draw one side already, right?
Yeah.
What's the next step?
Here.
Yes! You are dreaming. You want to draw it here. Okay, then. This point to where? Very good. That's your angle bisector. How long should be your angle bisector? Yes. So, they say the x is on the perpendicular bisector. This is the angle bisector, right? And then at the same time, it's the same distance to this RS and the PS. So this is the point. Mark X.
Mark.
And mark B. Part B. Okay? What else? C. Hence, measure and state the value of RSX. RSX. So what's this angle? New measure. Which one you read? 130 or 50?
50.
Okay. 50 or 40 something?
40 something.
40?
$46.
Okay?
Yeah.
So that's how you get angle bisector. So when it comes to construction, what are the two things you have learned? Two bisectors. The first one is?
You put on one end and
No. That one is how you draw. I asked what is the name.
Angle bisector.
Yeah? Angle bisector is for what?
For the angle.
What's the meaning of angle bisector? Right?
Cut the angle into half.
Correct. Then the other one?
Perpendicular bisector.
That one, what's the meaning of
Make
it?
a line perpendicular to the line.
Okay. That's perpendicular. So what's the meaning of bisector?
Cut through it.
Yes. So it means this line should be perpendicular plus
Cut through it.
cut through it. Only cut through it?
Like cut through the whole entire figure.
No. Perpendicular is, I'm asking you what's the meaning of perpendicular bisector. Perpendicular means 90 degrees. Bisector means?
Cut in half.
Yes. Cut what in half in this case?
Cut the line in half.
Alright. Very easy to remember. Perpendicular bisector, 90 degree, cut the line into half. Angle bisector, cut the angle by half. Number pattern. So this number pattern is quite interesting. Let me see. So over here, I think it's very easy for the number of dots. For number of dots is very easy because I see that you have a this is hello. So you have figure 1, not figure 1, figure. And then you have the dots, then you have the right angle triangles. So the dots actually is very simple. Okay? So what is 4?
4 is the amount of dots.
Yes, but what is 4? And what is 9? What is 16?
2 times 2.
Yep, 2 times 2, then 3 times 3, then 4 times 4. So what do you think of this?
5 times 5.
Yep.
So 5 is 4.
So it's 5 times 5, so it should be
25.
25, right? Okay, so that is the, so this is the pattern, the pattern in the, for the dots. Okay, then for the right angle triangle, this is 2, this is 8, this is 18, then what's the next one?
32.
Is it this the one?
Yeah.
So you count is 32 right angle triangle, is it?
Yeah.
Okay, so what is the, what's the trend here by the way?
n plus 1 squared.
For this pattern?
Yeah, I think so. Wait.
No, I'm talking about the right angle triangle. You don't answer blindly, okay? I asked you for the right angle triangle pattern. Yeah, so what is the right angle triangle pattern? This one you found out already. This one? So the pattern number of dots for this one is very simple. It's n plus 1 squared. For this one. Yep. C part 2 figure 37, okay, done. Okay? Then part D smallest, yeah. How do you get? That means they want to find this pattern. What's this pattern? 2, 8, 18. 是吗? How do you get 2n square?
2 times 2 and then 4 squared. What's this? Oh. Wait, hold on.
Yeah. Is it 2n square?
No.
Why not? Why yes? Look, 2 times 1, 2 times 4, 2 times 9, right? 2 times 16, right? So how is it related? So we are supposed to ignore the middle one already, because you don't have to look at it, because you are focused on you should be focused on this, right?
Yeah.
So can you see? This one is 2 times 1 square, right? This is 2 times 2 square, right? This is 2 times 3 square, right? This is 2 times 4 square, right? So can you see it's always 2 times, right?
Yeah.
So can you see that this 1 is 1 square, this 2 is 2 square, this 3 is 3 square, so it's 2 times n square. That's why it's 2 times n square. I think the answer is correct. Yeah. Sorry, Okay. So that's how you get the number pattern now. So your answer is correct. Okay, next. So this question should be a giveaway now, I would say. All, but you need to give your reasons. PME, where's PME? PME. How you know it's perpendicular?
It says that at the top, kite shape. It says BCDE.
Yeah.
It's a kite.
Yeah. BCDE, okay, kite.
Oh.
So.
Okay. ABCD is a rhombus.
Rhombus, yeah.
So that means if you cut in half, these two parts is both the same.
Yeah, it's the same.
So
yes.
VAD is the same as BCD.
Yeah.
So that means if BCD is 110, then VAD is also 110.
Yes, yes. I understand 110. I'm asking this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Yes.
And because it's a straight line down and a straight line across. And then the diagonals is CE and then BD. And so it's a 90 degrees.
Okay, so the fact that it's a rhombus, and the fact that it's a rhombus, the diagonal will form 90 degrees.
Yeah.
Okay.
And if you
So
measure
that's how you get 90, and you cannot measure, because when it comes to this kind of question, they say calculate, you cannot measure. Or you cannot say, oh, I want to measure this. Can you measure this angle? Like angle to get. Let's say they ask for DAE. Can you measure? Cannot. This question is not for measuring. This question is not for measuring, because sometimes they say it's not. This is they call it. It's not to scale, you know. Oh, so this kind of question is calculate, not measure. So if they ask you to calculate, if you measure, what happened?
Wrong answer.
Wrong answer. Yeah. Okay. It's just like they ask you to find from the graph, you go and calculate. Can you?
No.
Cannot. If they ask to measure, you calculate. Cannot.
No.
So same thing. Okay. Then 你这个是什么？为什么？Then I don't understand what's this.
Because I do halfway, then I realize there's a better way to do so.
Okay. So this angle is which one? Can you label it so I can see?
DAB is.
Can you use another one? This one is only for sketch. Okay. Stop using your pencil for others for other purpose.
DAB is over here.
Yeah. No, I want to find the 25 for you. The rest I understand already.
AB 25.
Okay, so write down 25. Okay, check. Let me see. What functions you talking about? What DAB equals to 35? DAB
Oh, wait.
Which one is ABB?
ABD is this one.
180. Yep, got it. So this is what? So you label 35? Okay, so this is 35 then?
Then this part is 90 degrees.
Yes, very good.
And then because over here is 30 degrees.
Yes.
So 180.
Wait, which one is 30? Which one is 30?
This one.
你自己看。
So do they mean that both sides is 30 or just this one
I
part?
ask you, what do they mean? How they label?
Like this.
Yeah, so?
Is it this whole entire thing?
Exactly. That's what they mean. Is this what they want?
ABE, right? Yeah.
Okay, good. How do you get 40?
180, which is
Yeah,
the whole
yes,
thing,
yes.
minus this part, 90
90.
degrees, minus this part, equals
Which
to
is? Minus this part.
15 degrees,
Okay, good.
equals to this part.
Okay, good. Now I understand. That's why just now I don't understand. Okay, 15, 15. So they say parallelogram is 这个乘以2 okay 这个乘以2 so you need to open up okay good very good then triangle is everything add up so you get okay very good and then they say what by formula you're going to show that x equal to 3 you can show very good then calculate the perpendicular from D to AB. Okay, 13. They ask you to find the area of the parallelogram. How do you find the area of the parallelogram? The last part, I don't understand. Oh, it's in this part.
X equals to 3. And because
Yeah, I understand. You find the AB, which is this part. Okay, take this. I understand. Yeah, I don't understand this part.
Because over here 2x minus 1.
No, your 5 is what? You are finding what?
This part.
Okay, this part. So how do you find the area of the
Oh,
parallelogram?
Oh.
Area of parallelogram. Is there a formula? Is there a formula? Okay. Do you read the question?
I did read the question.
Okay, you split into half and then you have a triangle 1 and a triangle 2 and can you label? No, you just label 1 and 2. So how do you find the area of 1, area and 2? You have the base already. And then you need the
height.
Yeah, which is
8x minus.
are you given the height?
No.
Can you read the question? Part B.
Oh.
No, can you label first? So the fact that you don't label, the fact that you don't try to do the way I asked you to do, like if you are given a parallelogram, whatever non-standard figure, you have to use this strategy. You insist to go and read it. They give you non-standard. What's non-standard? Standard means triangle, square, rectangle. The rest non-standard. So when it comes to non-standard, split into 2 triangles or other shapes and then figure it out. Okay, good. Alright, then we can take a break, then we'll continue.